The beef sector is focused on following regenerative agricultural principles to enhance and protect nature while maintaining Ireland's grass-fed production model. Joining me today to talk more about these regenerative agriculture principles are Rebecca Thompson, Group Sustainability Manager with KEPAC, and Fran Igoe, Regional Coordinator with the Local Authority's Water Programme. Let's explore how the beef sector is championing regenerative agriculture principles. Rebecca, could you discuss KEPAC's achievement as the first beef processor to embrace a new global framework for regenerative agriculture practices?
Yes, Sheila. So KEPAC have been part of the MII platform for a number of years now, and in that steering committee we're the only beef representative. And since then we've looked at the definition of regen ag, and the definition around it is that we are not only protecting biodiversity and enhancing it, we're looking to improve the quality of our water resources and also mitigate and adapt to climate change.
So Rebecca, could you give us some background to the rationale behind the framework and why it provides the beef sector with the mechanism to protect nature and reduce emissions?
At KEPAC, we've looked at the practical measures on farms. So we're monitoring a lot of data to risk assess where we are in regenerative agriculture. We're also then demonstrating these practices on our KEPAC farm, which are here today. We look through our water quality measures, also things like your phosphates and your nitrates, and ensuring that you have a really good soil structure. And with that, the AgNav system and Board BIA complements that in terms of how we incentivise farmers on a bonus structure. So when we looked at the MII platform, we joined partnership with Board BIA and Rory Mannion and Mick Houlihan, and we discovered that there was a way of trying to identify what those practices are already happening on farm and where we can improve and become more regenerative. So Board BIA can set the standard of where Ireland is in regenerative agriculture
while maintaining our fantastic grass-fed beef system.
Absolutely, 100%, Sheila.
Fran, could you outline the launch of the 5-year €60 million Farming for Water programme and its importance to water quality?
So this project is called the European Innovation Partnership, and it's there to support farmers to protect and restore water quality where it's needed. It's a partnership between Teagasc, ourselves and LawPro, the Local Authority Waters Programme, and also DII, Dairy Industry Ireland, and the co-ops that are involved in that network. But it's bigger than that. It involves more partnerships across the different sectors, including the beef industry, the tillage industry, forestry, and the idea is to target measures and pay farmers then to put in those measures based on science, based on getting the right measure in at the right place.
And tell us, Fran, how is LawPro working with farmers to protect water quality?
We do a lot of outreach, we organise public meetings, we work off the science to try and understand the sector and then come up with advice and solutions. One of those is the water EIP we just talked about, but there's also just basic information. What is the water quality of my stream or river that flows through my farm? How do I protect my well? To protect water quality, keep it front and centre and get on with doing the job of farming.
Thank you very much, Fran, for telling us about the Farming for Water programme.
You're welcome, Sheila, and thanks everybody for listening.
Thank you to Fran and Rebecca for sharing their insights in the critical role of regenerative agriculture in protecting and enhancing nature. It is clear that by working together and using robust science to guide our initiatives, we can achieve a more sustainable future for our industry and our environment.